What's up, you guys? If you watched my video from last week, then you watched me showing you how to do these little flat twists and also an easy way to take them out. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can have this style but also do multiple styles around it. So let's go. The first style being the obvious and the easiest, which would be the down style, and then I'm moving into this half up, half down hairstyle. I like to use these little hair ties. I think they're from Target. And then I'm just tying my hair up here. Also, to help ensure that you don't get any like other hair stuck, put your hair forward so that it doesn't get tangled up in the hair tie when you're tying it. Although this is cute, I like my ponytails to sit a little bit higher, so I take a medium-sized claw clip and I'll just put it underneath in the back, and voila, it's a higher half up, half down, and I think it's so cute. The next style being a high ponytail. This is very easy and simple, and I will be using my favorite Goody hair ties. You guys know I love these. As always, everything will be linked in the description. And then next is a high bun. You guys love when I do buns, so I thought I would show you this one. It's such an easy way to do it, especially if you want a cute hairstyle. You could do the flat twist in the front, and then if your hair isn't the cutest that day, you can just throw your hair up in a bun and it'll still bring the look all together. All right, next is these low pigtails, which I thought were so cute. I've never actually done this to my hair when doing this hairstyle, but I might have to the next time I do these front twists because I thought it was so cute. Tell me what you guys think. I love it. Okay. Also, I did not check the back of my hair before parting, so my skills. Okay, and then next is this claw clip ponytail. Super easy. Again, these are all super easy hairstyles. So you're going to start off with putting your hair in a hair tie just so that it can stay, especially if you have thicker hair. This helps as well. And then next you're going to just twist it and pull it up, and then I just took my medium size claw clip and I put it right in the center. I like to use it because it's not taking up as much of my hair, so that it still gives that fullness effect when I put the ponytail down. Alrighty guys, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that these styles help you at home. Thank you so much for watching.